how to enable Smart Invert on iPhone 12. So if you want to turn on Smart Invert on your iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable Smart Invert on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, scroll down, click on accessibility. Once you select accessibility, you want to scroll down as well. Click on display and text size. Under display and text size, scroll down and locate Smart Invert. Smart Invert reverses the color of the display except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color style. Then go ahead and turn on Smart Invert. Then once you turn on Smart Invert, this is what you're going to see. This is going to force dark mode on all the application on your phone except for the application that uses dark mode feature. See that? So Smart Invert is now active. So that is basically how to enable Smart Invert on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.